Hi, welcome to another super video. Today no one's here, so it's only me. Today I'm going to be making a grape crush with Play-Doh. We have purple dough, purple Play-Doh. Comment down below what I should make with Play-Doh or what kind of pop or soda I should make with Play-Doh. And also promise to subscribe and like the video. Do everything you can to help us. So let's get started. So I'll be right back. I'm back. So last thing is to stick this on, and that's all for the video. These videos are so quick. Oh, wow. Grape crush. Well, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe and like our videos. Do everything you can help us. Well, bye.